Okay, this is the landcruiser. It's my cutting machine. These are paintings. These slides are 100 pounds rated. I picked them from Lee Valley. Knife, earrings, handles, locks. Yeah, that's it. Screws. Show you the final product. Here it is. We use these tie downs, 4 of them. See in that corner there. This is the mattress. This drawer, I'll have the equipment. And this drawer is basically my kitchen. This is how the table extends. And I put my kitchen stuff here. Didn't have extra wood to make dividers, so I used these boxes, they came in handy. And show you here this box here. I have my recovery gear, smithy belt, and the D-rings. It's a huge box, 40 by almost 10 inches and 11 inches high. I use this handle. And to sleep, I just extend this mattress over here. Let me show you. Unhook this. The mattress extends. And this is my living room. The Srīr.